Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying your mobile data and signal. Make sure tethering is allowed by your carrier. On your phone, open Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. Set a recognizable SSID and a strong password to prevent strangers joining. Once done, switch on Wi-Fi on your laptop and open the network list so you're ready to connect. This gets the necessary services active and visible. It also secures the link before moving to the pairing step. You now select the phone SSID from the laptop's Wi-Fi menu and enter the hotspot password exactly as set. That establishes the basic link. Once connected, choose a private or home network profile so file sharing and updates work normally. Open network details to confirm you received an IP and DNS from the phone. If not, toggle Wi-Fi off and on. Also make sure VPNs or custom proxies are disabled temporarily. Because they can block DNS, you finish by verifying internet access. Open a browser and run a quick speed test to confirm download and latency. If speeds are poor, close large transfers or background apps on both devices and move closer to the phone for better signal. Make sure phone hotspot timeout and battery saver won't drop the connection. Enable continuous hotspot if needed. If things go wrong, toggle the hotspot, reboot both devices, update laptop Wi-Fi drivers, or reset network settings on the phone. One of these fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.